Next topic, POS simplification. Read the question. Minimize the expression to minimize POS form using K-map. Okay, this is the expression. You have to minimize this one. Okay. See, we have studied how to minimize the SOP equation. So what we are going to do here, instead of minimizing using POS, we are going to minimize using SOP only. So to solve SOP, instead of POS equation, I need SOP equation only. So first step, I am going to convert this to SOP. We know that PO is just opposite to SOP. So how to convert this to SOP? Instead of A, I will take A bar. Instead of OR gate, I will take AND gate. So this becomes A bar, B bar, C. A became A bar, B bar, C bar became C. Now A bar, B, C, A, B, C, A, B bar, C bar, A bar, B bar, C bar. This is nothing but 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 0, 0, 1 is 1, this is 3, this is 7, this is 4, this is 0. Solution. Step 1, K-map. There are 3 variables, so 3 variables K-map I am going to use. In these 5 locations, I should put 0 or 1. I should put 0 because in POS we know that these stamps are called max stamps. Max stamps outputs are 0. So in these locations you have to put 0. So 1, 0, 3, 0, 7, 0, 4, 0, 0 is also 0. So in remaining 3 places, 1 we are putting 1. Now in POS, instead of in SOP, we used to group ones, but in POS you have to group zeros. Pair 1, pair 2, pair 3. Y is equal to A bar, B bar, C bar plus first pair. C plus second pair plus now I am minimizing. So this is the result I got from this equation, but this equation is SOP, not POS. SOP, not POS. So what do you do? Instead of writing Y, you write Y bar. Y bar. So to convert SOP to POS, what I should do? I should invert everything, every term. So Y becomes Y bar becomes Y. Y bar becomes Y. A bar becomes A, B bar becomes B. Between this A bar and B bar, I have AND gate, that becomes OR gate. This OR gate becomes AND gate. B plus C, B bar plus C bar. This is the POS result. See students, one thing you have to note, this pair. So instead of making these 2 zeros with one pair, I can use these 2 zeros also. Either this pair or this pair you have to use 2. See the next question. Reduce the following function using K-map technique and implement using basic gates. Question. Function of ABCD is equal to pi max tan. Pi max tan. So in these locations I will put zeros with don't care. So in second and sixth place I will put don't care. Zero is 0, 3 is 0, 4 is 0, 7 0, then 8 0, 10 0, 12 0, 14 0. 2 and 6 are don't care. 2 and 6 are don't care. So in the remaining places I have to put 1. Now I should make groups. So say I should make groups. For that I have to use zeros. Instead of 1 I have to use zeros because this is POS method. So here this side I have 4 zeros. This side I have 2. This side I have 2 zeros. So that I can use these 2x to form the octet 1. Next, here I have 2 more zeros. Here I have 2 more zeros. So what I will do, I am going to use these 2x with the zeros to form the quad. So my y bar is equal to octet 1 plus q1. This is not y, this is y bar. Y bar result is D bar plus A bar C. This is SOP. I have to convert to POS. So Y from O bar to Y, D bar to D, R becomes and A plus C bar. This is my POS equation. Now they asked to implement this equation using basic gates. So I have to draw the logic circuit. This equation I am going to convert to logic circuit. There are 2. So I have to use 1 AND gate and 1 OR gate. OR gate, the inputs are A and C bar. So I will get A plus C bar. A plus C bar. Then one more input is D. D is another input. One OR gate, one AND gate. So I will get D into A plus C bar. This is my Y.